Some see history, some see childhood, others imagine what should come next. Because a mosaic is never truly finished, like the town itself, it evolves, shaped by the people who live here. It's a living canvas of the community memory and aspiration. By preserving the past and inviting new voices, Abergele isn't just saving an artwork, it's building the next chapter of its story.
It represents Abergele today and the community today. So I very much come to this from an arts point of view rather than a historical point of view. But the sessions, which we've had 3 of now, have been really interesting because the local community have come together. A lot of people have been involved and shared lots of stories about how the town's changed over time, and personal stories, stories about the buildings that have changed, and that the buildings have very much inspired me for our project that we're doing. And we've looked at photographs of places such as the castle or the local barbers, the music shop, all the wonderful architecture that's here. And people have started creating their own drawings like this one. The lady that drew this remembered this building when it was a chemist. It's now a kitchen shop. And then another lady drew this fabulous drawing of a doorway. And another lady that was taking part in the workshop was actually born in this house. So that it's creating this and doing lots of drawings has really inspired people to remember things and share stories and create some beautiful artwork. And hopefully at the end of this, we're going to create our own little terrace of buildings all mixed up like this. And hopefully it will inspire something in the future for Abergele.
My name is Mark Jones, and I have written a poem called Abergele. Amid rolling hills and coastal air, beneath grey castles' watchful stare, echoes of history in stone so grand, remembered stories of this land. Gentle waves at Pensane's shore ebb and flow forevermore. Laughter rings at Manor Farm, embracing nature's peaceful charm.
So I've worked with Tracy in the past, and she told me about this event. Seemed interesting, and I've really enjoyed it so far.
So the last 2 sessions we've been creating some work. There are lots of options for you guys to express yourselves. So some of the work that I've been doing has been surrounding collage, so that we create something that is very similar or inspired by the mural of Abergele. We've got an array of mosaic squares made from recycled materials over on the far table. The pieces of paper in front of you both were so that you could express yourself as a drawing, but you can also write poetry on those. And hopefully I might digitise the work that's on the floor behind George. Ben is perusing wonderful coloured paper. Please use whatever you'd like, Ben. And then there's some postcards as well that is to create ekphrasis poetry so that you're inspired by something visual. And there is an accessible way of doing so because I'm an audio describer, as you're well aware, Mark, can't speak. But I would explore them linguistically, if that is helpful as well. But in the last 2 sessions...
So I'm here today because I like to have my voice being heard. And I've got all this creativity inside of me that's bottled up, and I just want to unleash it.
Loads of white plastic boxes.
I like to be involved in this because it's looking at buildings in the town and because I've got one at the end of town, I was interested to know what we'd be doing, and I've really enjoyed what we've been doing, and it's great to see all these old buildings being kept in order to make something of a mural.
Right, good afternoon. So I'm Ken Knowlson. I'm chairman of Slaters, North Wales, and my grandfather started the business in 1923. So we've evolved from a repair garage to selling cars. And my father always, Ken Knowlson, he always felt that the showrooms were very austere and wanted to sort of soften them with, in the first instance, artwork. We had some big oil paintings of North Wales scenes that we were in the showroom, and we've still got them. They're very good, but a bit big. Then we were not able to have those in the showroom because the manufacturers wanted their stuff in there, and we had audits and all sorts of things. And my dad was in the coffee shop in Mural and was very, very impressed with a mural they had there. And this sort of got him thinking. And it was done by David Frith, Frith Pottery in Denby. And he made contact with them, and they decided to sort of do a street scene in pottery. It was a bit before my time, really, so I wasn't involved in any of the discussions and the planning and all the rest of it. But this was the biggest thing that they'd ever done, David Frith Pottery. So they did it, it was unveiled, and then many years later, when it was starting to deteriorate because it was outside, they took it down and renovated it. And during that time, they did some artwork on the old Abergele fire engine, which is an inside piece and is beautiful and very well done. So it's quite nice to see that the mural is, not destroyed, and is hopefully going to reappear somewhere in Abergele.
In a little town where the hills roll high, Abergele's waiting neath the open sky. From the bustling market where the locals meet, to the seaside sands where the waves kiss your feet, with every sunset painting the town in gold, stories of old and the memories we hold, gentle whispers of the sea breeze flow in that